everybody, and welcome to week 24 of Babies and Books. Babies and Books is all about sharing books with your little one, having some fun, really engaging with them and spending some quality time. And I'll be showing you this book today again. So we're learning all about colours through this book called Wow, Said the Owl by Tim Hopgood. So we start our sessions though with saying hello to some of you. So if we've all got our waving hands ready. Okay. Hello Becky, hello Becky, hello Becky, it's nice to have you here. Hello Noah, hello Noah, hello Noah, it's nice to have you here. Hello Nia, hello Nia, hello Nia, it's nice to have you here. Hooray, well done everybody. So, last week we sang the rainbow song, so we're going to be singing this one again today. So, here we go. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. We'll sing it again. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Well done everybody. Okay, the next one, Baba Black Sheep. Here we go. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Well done. Okay, and the last song that we're singing is another colour song. Here we go. If you're wearing any red, any red. If you're wearing any red, any red. If you're wearing any red, put your finger on your head. If you're wearing any red, any red. If you're wearing any pink, any pink. If you're wearing any pink, any pink. If you're wearing any pink, then give a little wink. If you're wearing any pink, any pink. If you're wearing any black, any black. If you're wearing any black, any black. If you're wearing any black, give yourself a pat on the back. If you're wearing any black, any black. Hooray! So last week I only read half the story, and that was on purpose because, as we said before, little one's attention span is short. So we try and keep these sessions short. So we finished on this page at the green leaves. So, wow, said the owl as the pretty red butterflies flew by. She watched them land on the bright orange flowers which opened up in the warm sunshine. Oh, up in the sky, the clouds turned grey and it started to rain. But the sun was still shining. Wonder what's going to happen next. Wow, said the owl as a beautiful rainbow filled the sky. with colour. The little owl sat happily in her tree and watched as the sun went down and the moon came up. The daytime is full of beautiful colours, she thought. But wow, said the owl, the nighttime stars are the most beautiful of all. Too excited to sleep, the little owl stayed awake all night long, just like little owls are supposed to do. Here we go. So there's a little activity at the end of this book as well. So we have got these books available in the library, so if you did want to pop along and borrow them, you're more than welcome to. And you could do this little activity. All these wonderful colours can be found in this book. Look through the pages and see if you can spot them. That'd be a nice little thing to do with your little ones. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Hwyl fawr!